Here I've got Neffos C7s, and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select System, go to the About phone, and now locate build number. Here you've got it. It's time to hit it 7 times, so 4, 5, 6, 7, and as you can see, you are a developer now. So let's go back, go to the Advanced, and from now on, you will be able to notice developer options here. Simply click on it. And as you can see, from now on, you can perform plenty of very useful and advanced operations. Use developer options as often as you want to. And then once you want to switch them off, simply tap on this switcher. And as you can see, they are no longer active. And also the icon disappeared from here. So if you would like to use them one more time, you will have to perform the same trick again. So that would be all. This is how you can activate developer options in your Neffos C7s. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.